Leatherman Wave Plus Multi-Tool. The Leatherman Wave Plus is more than just a tool. It is basically a pocket workshop for survival. Fitted with pliers, knives, screwdrivers, scissors, and more, you can handle all kinds of situations. That includes making a repair or fixing your food, or even cutting branches to create a shelter. Think of a scenario where you are several hours away from civilization and a strap of your backpack breaks or you require to open a can. All of a sudden, the solution to your problem is in your hands as you have all that you require in a device that is slim, sleek, compact, and foldable. Suitable for use in extreme conditions, the high-quality stainless steel material has been carefully crafted to ensure reliability in the most remote areas. This tool is incredibly versatile. What appears to be small and simple is actually a solution to major survival issues. A prepared adventurer knows the Wave Plus is a necessity instead of a nice-to-have. In the wilderness, it is all about flexibility. Suunto Core All-Black Military Watch. It is useful to know the timing and altitude and to be weather-wise too. The Suunto Core All-Black Military Watch is designed to provide all of these at a glance, functioning like a miniature survival commander strapped to your wrist. The functions of the altimeter, barometer, compass, and storm alarm means that it is much more than just a watch. If you were to climb a steep mountain and notice a sudden drop in barometric pressure, you would be alerted to the fact that a storm is on its way. The device would give you enough time to seek shelter and gear up. With a military-grade construction, it is shockproof and the black color makes it tactical. It's a lifeline for adventurers, providing the accuracy and insight needed to navigate the unpredictable wilderness with confidence. Vargo Titanium Folding Spork. This small package is a giant that combines a fork and spoon into one. The utensil is lightweight and super durable, and it includes the functionality of a fork, spoon, and sometimes a knife. Just picture it. You've wrapped up a long and tiring hike, and now you want to enjoy a hot meal without having to fumble through multiple pieces of cutlery or worrying about cleaning them. The object has a foldable design so it takes up virtually no room in your bag. With titanium material, it is resistant to bending, breaking, or rusting. If you're a minimalist or ultralight adventurer, then this is the epitome of practical simplicity. In some cases, survival isn't just a fancy gadget or strong tool. Sometimes, it's a gadget or tool that just makes life easier, efficient, and fun, especially if you are away from home. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Water is life, and Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System ensures you have easy access to it anywhere in the world. This product is a lightweight and compact tool that can easily be fitted onto bottles and hydration packs, and it can also be used as a straw for direct drinking. As you walk along a clear mountain stream, you can be sure that water is purified and free of bacteria and protozoa. This small filter eliminates 99.9999% of harmful contaminants, so your body can be hydrated and healthy in remote locations. When it comes to survival, water is non-negotiable, and this system converts natural waters into a lifeline. It is that type of gear which will help with the risk management, as the goal was to not have to think about it on an adventure. Osprey Atmos AG65 Backpack. Your pack is your portable base camp, and the Osprey Atmos AG65 Backpack redefines what a pack can do. This anti-gravity suspension bag lets you carry heavy items without feeling crushed. The suspension distributes weight across your body so that you don't have a sore back or shoulders when you carry it. Picture yourself trekking mile after mile through rugged terrains carrying all the essentials, yet feeling light-footed and agile. This is the freedom a backpack offers. The availability of multiple compartments to organize your stuff and compatibility for hydration, with adjustable straps to ensure every gear is accessible and safe. If you're going on a long trip, you need a good backpack, one that doesn't just carry your stuff. It carries you and keeps you comfortable, efficient, and ready for anything. BioLite HeadLamp 330. When darkness falls and the forest becomes an unpredictable maze, the BioLite HeadLamp 330 becomes your eyes, hands-free. Adjustable, rechargeable, and durable, it illuminates your surroundings while keeping your hands free for climbing, cooking, or setting up camp. Imagine navigating a rocky trail after sunset or repairing your tent during a sudden rainstorm. The headlamp makes every task possible and safe. Unlike standard flashlights, it attaches to your head, allowing you to move naturally while staying fully visible. In the wilderness, light is more than convenience. It's safety, orientation, and survival. The BioLite HeadLamp 330 ensures you never have to choose between moving freely and staying illuminated. Petzl Spirit Express Quickdraw. For climbers, safety is paramount, and the Petzl Spirit Express Quickdraw ensures that every ascent is secure, smooth, and efficient. Ultra-light yet strong, it allows for seamless rope movement, reducing friction and providing reliable support when every hold matters. Imagine scaling a steep cliff, your grip secure, knowing that your Quickdraw is reliable and won't fail under pressure. That confidence alone transforms your climb. Trusted by professional climbers worldwide, it combines strength, lightweight design, and durability, making it indispensable for anyone tackling vertical challenges in the wild. It's more than equipment. It's peace of mind hanging by a rope. Therm-a-Rest, NeoAir, Xlite, Sleeping Pad. Sleep is critical for survival, and the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Xlite sleeping pad ensures that your rest is both comfortable and insulated. Lightweight and easy to pack, it inflates to provide cushioning from cold, uneven ground while maintaining warmth throughout the night. Imagine ending a long day of hiking or climbing, sinking into a sleeping pad that protects you from frost and discomfort, allowing your body to fully recover. Proper rest is vital for energy, alertness, and decision-making, and this pad ensures that even in extreme conditions, sleep remains uninterrupted and restorative. In the wild, comfort can be a survival tool in itself. Black Diamond Trail Pro-Shock Trekking Poles. Trekking poles aren't just props. They are essential tools for endurance, balance, and joint protection. The Black Diamond Trail Pro-Shock poles are lightweight, yet absorb impact efficiently, letting you navigate rocky, slippery, or uneven terrain with confidence. Imagine descending a steep trail with poles that reduce the shock on your knees while stabilizing every step. Your legs feel fresher, your stride longer, and your risk of injury far lower. For long-distance hikes, trekking poles become extensions of your body, allowing you to cover ground faster, conserve energy, and explore with enhanced stability and control. Brunton TruArc 3 Compass. Even in an age dominated by GPS, nothing replaces the reliability of a trusted compass. The Brunton TruArc 3 is precise, durable, and simple to use, guiding you through dense forests, mountains, and remote regions without the need for batteries. Imagine finding yourself disoriented in a heavy fog or dense woodland. The compass points true north, giving you confidence and control over your route. Compact yet rugged, it is the quintessential tool for adventurers who respect the fundamentals of navigation. In critical moments, a compass isn't just a tool, it's a lifeline that restores clarity in chaos. Hydro Flask 32-ounce wide-mouth bottle. Hydration is survival, and the Hydro Flask 32-ounce wide-mouth bottle keeps fluids at the ideal temperature for hours. Double-wall insulation maintains ice-cold water or steaming hot beverages, perfect for extreme climates. Imagine reaching the summit of a mountain, taking a sip of perfectly chilled water, and instantly feeling rejuvenated. It's more than refreshment. It's energy and morale in liquid form. Durable, leak-proof, and easy to carry, this bottle ensures that hydration is simple, reliable, and enjoyable. Adventure is challenging enough. Staying hydrated shouldn't be an additional struggle. Comment below with the tool you can't live without. Like this video if you're ready to gear up, subscribe for more survival guides and adventure hacks, and share it with your fellow explorers.